Oh yeah, doing a little rock hounding in the railroad gravels. Man, that's something cool there. That's a cool little fossil. Cool as heck. You never know what you find in these old railroad rock, especially around here. There's another. Pretty cool. Man, hey, y'all check this out. Look here. Got like purple stuff in it. Ain't that cool? All kind of this old flint and shirt in here. There's another one of them. Look here. That's pretty cool. Just don't ever know. Well, I just wanted to show y'all that. Hey, there's another. Look here. Oh, that's cool. Awesome. Later, y'all. These things are cool. Finding them here and there. In here. Pretty cool, man. See. There's another. I saw another out here somewhere. Or actually I saw a couple more. I just can't remember where they're at. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Right down there. Oh yeah. That's cool. You can see some of the inside of that one. Awesome. Man, this is fun. Finding these things. Zoom out there a little bit. Oh, here comes a train. All kind of this stuff here. This old church. Pretty darn cool. All kinds of it. I don't know how big it has to be to nap, do you? Or even if that's, you know, I'm sure that'll make an airhead. I never tried to do it, but it's all over the place in here. And there's a little light colored. Anyway, that's just all I was gonna show you. I'll see if we can find another one down here, but I'm sure. Let's see, there's one right there. Oh, yeah. Cool as heck. Hey, there's another. Check that out. It's cool as heck. Oh man, that's a pretty one. Yeah, it's all the way around. Heck yeah. That's awesome. That is awesome. Yeah. That probably make our head out there right there. Pretty cool stuff. Well, I'm gonna cut y'all loose here. I just thought y'all might like to watch that. That's all. But appreciate y'all now. Later. Yeah, this is fun as heck looking for this stuff in this railroad bed. Really cool. Fossil looking things. I done found another handful. Just awesome. Look around here. You look hard, you can find it here and there, everywhere. Just cool as heck. Cool as heck. Appreciate y'all watching it. I just think this is killer. Later. Alright, y'all. I found the granddaddy of them. Man, y'all check it out. Big in there. Heck yeah. Him's cool. Just walking down this old railroad track. That is pretty awesome. Later, y'all. Man, y'all check this dude out. Old snapping turtle. Pretty cool. He's gonna catch the train. Later, y'all. Appreciate you. Hey, y'all. Just a little recap on some of my railroad finds. Bunch of real coolness in there. I don't know what y'all call that stuff, but it's real neat. I don't know if it's like petrified wood or some kind of coral, or you know, I have no idea, tell you the truth, but it's real cool. I found a bunch of it. Found a whole bunch of it. A granddaddy piece there, man. That thing's huge. But yeah, I found some really good. It's got really good detail in it there. Really good detail. Pretty. That's just real pretty to me. That stuff might be common, I don't know, but I feel lucky to have found it anyway. It's pretty amazing to me. Pretty amazing. But I got a bunch of it, and I think what I'm gonna do is put it all in a jar. Well, y'all don't pay no attention to this stuff. It's those were found in a different video. But I got I picked up a bunch of pieces of that chert, flint, whatever it is. I think it's that chert. All different colors, fashion, you know, but pretty cool. I found it, that was I guess that's one of them balls, flint balls they call them. I hadn't cleaned this, it's still got all the dust on them and stuff too. Pretty cool. That'd probably make a pretty arrowhead if it would nap. I don't know if it'll nap or not. It's all cool though. I might run into somebody that wants to nap this or try to nap this or something. Pretty cool stuff. But I thought that rock was cool too. And I found a bunch of this limestone had this purple streaks in it. I thought that was real cool. Don't know what it is. I know it is cool. Anyhow. Yeah. But I thought some of y'all might like to see this, but I'm going to try to oh yeah, that's cool. This looks like some kind of coral or something right there. Pretty cool. But I feel real fortunate to have found all this stuff. And I think I'm going to put it all in a jar. I got some of these big Atlas half-gallon jars. Got from my wife's grandmother. Anyhow, I thought about putting this in one of them big half-gallon jars and putting one of them old lids on it I found metal detecting. And it'd be kind of special finds and put it up on the shelf. Yep. But hey, y'all, thank you. Don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button down there. Later, y'all. Alright, y'all, I got my jar picked out. One of them half-a-gallon Atlas Masons. But then I got my one of my lids picked out that I metal detected. It matches. Matching lid, Atlas. Atlas. Though Atlas lid, it ain't perfect. It's got a crack right there, or no, somewhere. It's got a crack in it somewhere. But that's no big deal. As long as it'll screw on there, that's all that matters. But I'm gonna stuff some of this in there. I found this one today. Ain't that awesome? I probably won't put that in the jar. I'll probably set that one up somewhere to look at. That's pretty cool. But I'm gonna get the stuffing. I'll get back with you when I get it full. I hope I got enough to fill it up. Later. Alright, got the lid on the jar. Got the jar full of cool fossils off of the railroad. Fossils and some of that purple rock. I have no idea what that is. But it's cool. I got a couple of them in there that I think that round ball, that's a flint ball there. I put it in there too. And some of them fossils turned around backwards where all you could see was the gravel side. But it's pretty daggone awesome to me. Half a gallon of them. It's pretty heavy. I hope I don't drop it. Yeah. Bunch of limestone. Kentucky fossils. Now the rock quarry, probably up there around Hopkinsville, I'd say. Come out of that quarry. Pretty cool. Thank y'all for watching. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. I enjoyed finding the fossils and filling this jar up with them. And I'll probably keep them forever, you know. Later, y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and all that good stuff. Thank you.